Before we begin, let me ask you this. What if the same white powder you've kept in your kitchen, one you've likely used to freshen your refrigerator or clean your countertops, could also support healthier blood flow and revitalize your vitality as a man over 60? Now, I know that may sound surprising, even far-fetched, but I'm not sharing folklore. I'm talking about clinical experience, supported by emerging studies on physiology, inflammation, and metabolic health. You might know it as baking soda, or more precisely, sodium bicarbonate. And while it doesn't replace medication, used intentionally and in the right context, it can absolutely help shift your body back toward balance, especially if you're feeling burned out, sluggish, or disconnected from your former self. For the past 12 years, I've been working closely with men over 60, helping them restore strength, intimacy, and energy, without relying solely on pharmaceutical band-aids. My approach is rooted in integrative, evidence-based men's health, blending the power of modern science with safe, natural solutions that often begin right at home. So today, I want to walk you through 10 compelling ways that baking soda, when used thoughtfully, may support not just your circulation and erection quality, but also your energy, mood, and hormonal function, all of which are essential for a man's confidence and quality of life. And stay with me, because by the end, I'll share a simple yet potent morning Formula 1 of my patient's use that led to noticeable, measurable improvements in several aspects of his health. Now, I understand the skepticism. Most men I've treated had never even considered looking in their pantry for answers. Yet what we're discovering, supported by journals like the American Journal of Physiology and Clinical Endocrinology, is that when the internal environment of the body becomes more balanced, the systems that govern circulation, hormone production, and tissue repair begin functioning more effectively on their own. Let's unpack this a little deeper, starting with a foundational principle many men overlook. 1. Rebalancing blood pH to improve circulation. As we age, our internal environment tends to shift toward slight acidity, influenced by diet, stress, medications, and even breathing patterns. While the body tightly regulates blood pH, even minor systemic acidity can cause endothelial dysfunction, that is, the narrowing and stiffening of blood vessels, which directly impacts blood flow. Imagine trying to water your garden through a pinched hose. Sodium bicarbonate, consumed in the correct dose, acts as a gentle alkalinizing agent, helping to buffer acidity and support microvascular circulation. This can make a meaningful difference in tissues highly sensitive to blood flow, including erectile tissue. I recall a patient named Harold, age 69, recently retired, frustrated, and low on energy. His usual blood labs were unremarkable, yet his urinary pH indicated higher systemic acidity. I recommended a simple morning ritual, half a teaspoon of baking soda in water 3 times a week. Within 3 weeks, Harold returned, looking rested, more vibrant. His words, "I feel awake, alive again. Even my wife noticed." This is where healing starts, restoring proper flow to the places that matter most. 2. Reducing inflammation in blood vessels. Chronic, low-grade inflammation is one of the most common yet underdiagnosed root causes of erectile concerns in older men. Inflammation impairs nitric oxide signaling, the essential messenger that allows blood vessels in the penis to dilate during arousal. Sodium bicarbonate, according to emerging research from institutions like the Medical College of Georgia, has been shown to reduce systemic inflammation by influencing immune signaling, particularly by encouraging a shift from inflammatory M1 macrophages toward anti-inflammatory M2 ones. Take Samuel, 71, former athlete. Told me, "Doc, I feel like my body's fighting against itself." Inflammatory markers were elevated. I didn't load him up on medications. We started with foundational steps, including a low-dose bicarbonate intake along with deep breathing and hydration. 30 days later, he reported more frequent spontaneous erections and even better energy on waking. Remember, when inflammation drops, hormones rise, circulation improves, and performance follows. 3. Supporting natural nitric oxide production. Nitric oxide isn't just science talk. It's the biochemical spark that lights the fire of male arousal. Without sufficient nitric oxide, even if libido is present, the physical response just doesn't happen. One of the less discussed benefits of improving your acid-base balance is a boost in nitric oxide bioavailability. This occurs by preserving the health of the blood vessel lining, the endothelium, and reducing oxidative stress, both crucial to nitric oxide production. Thomas, 66, implemented a morning drink of baking soda with lemon water and practiced slow nasal breathing. Within weeks, he said, "Doc, I've been waking up. Well, I haven't in years. It's like I'm tuned back in." 4. Enhancing oxygen delivery to erectile tissues. 2. Optimal erections require more than just blood flow. They depend on the efficient delivery of oxygen by red blood cells to the spongy tissue of the penis. Poor oxygenation leads to shorter, weaker erections and contributes to long-term fibrosis of erectile tissue. Baking soda improves hemoglobin's oxygen-carrying capacity by buffering blood pH, thus optimizing the way red blood cells release oxygen to tissues. One former fire chief, Richard, 72, began this protocol. He soon noticed not only physical warmth during intimacy, but also increased sensation and staying power. 5. Re-energizing smooth muscle cells via mitochondrial function. The smooth muscle within the penis traps and maintains blood during an erection. That function relies heavily on mitochondria, the energy engines of your cells. As men age, mitochondrial function declines, especially under conditions of oxidative stress and acidosis. Baking soda counters this by reducing cellular acidosis, allowing mitochondria to produce ATP, that is, energy, more efficiently. Gerald, 68, said it best. "It's like the engine turns over again. I have gas in the tank." With consistent use alongside breathing exercises, he regained stamina and confidence. 6. Heightening testosterone receptor sensitivity. Here's a crucial point. Even if your testosterone levels are normal, they're useless if your receptors can't perceive the signal. Inflammatory markers and acidity can literally downregulate androgen receptors or block testosterone from binding effectively. Martin, 64, experienced this firsthand. We optimized his hormonal response not by increasing testosterone, but by enhancing his body's ability to use what it already had, through alkalizing agents, resistance movement, and micronutrient support. 6 weeks later, "Doc, I've got the drive back, in my career and in the bedroom." 7. Gentle detoxification of liver and kidneys. Your liver and kidneys silently handle the detoxification of hormones, waste, and environmental toxins. Over time, they can get overwhelmed, which in turn can affect libido, stamina, and clarity. Sodium bicarbonate helps by reducing the acid load, freeing up filtration bandwidth in the kidneys, and aiding the liver's detoxification enzymes. Carlos, 70, despite a clean diet, felt heavy and sluggish. A simple addition of baking soda with warm lemon water began reversing that trend, and he soon felt clearer and lighter, both mentally and physically. 8. Supporting glucose control and weight loss. Visceral fat, especially belly fat, isn't just unsightly. It converts testosterone into estrogen via the enzyme aromatase. This blocks libido and reduces erectile function. Baking soda can stabilize blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity and reducing cravings triggered by sugar fluctuations. Jack, 66, began using this as a morning tonic, and over several weeks saw decreased waist size, improved focus, and a significant lift in energy and confidence. 9. Calming the nervous system for better performance. Sexual function isn't purely mechanical. Your nervous system plays a critical role. Chronic stress keeps men locked in sympathetic dominance, the fight-or-flight mode, shutting down blood flow to non-essential organs, including the reproductive system. Baking soda indirectly supports the parasympathetic response, the rest and digest mode, which is essential for arousal and emotional connection. Tom, 70, military veteran, struggled with performance anxiety. After adopting this protocol, including breathing exercises and bicarbonate balancing, he reported calming down, connecting deeper, and restoring intimacy. 10. Synergizing with lemon or apple cider vinegar. Lastly, combining sodium bicarbonate with lemon juice or a small amount of apple cider vinegar creates a gentle internal effervescence, supporting liver bile flow, digestion, and vascular tone. It also makes the drink easier on the stomach. Barry, 74, found a simple recipe that changed everything. Warm water, fresh lemon, a quarter teaspoon of baking soda, taken on an empty stomach 3 to 4 mornings weekly. The result? It's like a light came back on. My mind, my body, everything revived. How to start safely. Begin with small amounts, 1 par 4 to 1 to 2 teaspoons of baking soda in a glass of room temperature water taken on an empty stomach. Use this 3 to 4 mornings per week. If desired, add lemon juice or a splash of apple cider vinegar for a synergistic effect. Always consult your physician, especially if you have kidney disease, high blood pressure, or are taking medications. I want to leave you with something important. If you've been feeling frustrated, disconnected, or uncertain about your health, know this: you are not broken. Your body may simply need time, support, and the right environment to awaken again. Baking soda is not a miracle, but it is a tool, a safe, simple, and surprisingly powerful one. Combined with breathing, movement, and mindful nourishment, it can reignite that part of you that never truly faded, just needed to be reawakened. Because beyond 60, you're not declining, you're evolving. You still deserve strength, intimacy, and energy. It's not too late. In fact, it may be the perfect time. If what you've heard today resonated with you, consider sharing this with a friend or family member. One small step, one new habit, could change the trajectory of a man's life. Stay strong, stay informed, and remember, your best years are still ahead.